Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to restore iPhone when you need to return to the company if you want to replace your phone, or if you want to sell it, or if you want to gift anybody, your family person, your relatives, whatever. Then you should restore your iPhone. You can delete everything so nobody cannot get your information. So first you have to go settings to restore iPhone. Then you can press general. Then you can scroll down to transfer or restore iPhone, and then you can press erase all content and settings. Then you can press continue, and then you can press your passcode, the phone lock passcode. So I'm gonna put my password here, lock screen password, and then it's showing Apple ID password. Whatever you have the password, just press it. I'm gonna press the Apple ID password. And I'm gonna press turn off, and I have to wait for that. Let's do it again. Yeah, now it's showing keep your eSIM and erase data, or delete eSIM and erase data. So I'm using this SIM card, that's why I'm gonna keep the eSIM and erase data. Whatever data I have, I'll delete it, but I don't delete my SIM. So I'm gonna press eSIM and erase, keep eSIM and erase. But if you don't have any SIM card, maybe you don't see anything like that, or if you want to delete everything, you can press delete eSIM and erase data. So I have to keep my SIM card, so I'm gonna press keep eSIM and erase data. And now starting to delete everything and restore my iPhone. It will become a brand new condition. Whatever information I have, it will be deleted. So I have to wait until finish the deleting things. So let's see where's the next step showing. And it's take a few seconds or a minute, I believe. So it is working. So let's see what is the next step. I have a lot of pictures, a lot of notes, and all my information in this phone. So it takes some time. Maybe I have like more than 10,000 photos. It's take a few seconds to delete everything because it's a hard reset. So restore. After that, I cannot find anything in my phone, and I can give it to anybody without any tension. So right now I believe everything is deleted. Yeah, so right now it's become like factory reset, restore. So now I don't have any information here, and if I want to restart again, so I have to press wherever you live. I live in United States, so I'm gonna press here, and then manual, and then whatever password I have for the Wi-Fi, and then you can step by step go ahead. to restore again. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my channel to get more information about the phone.